are off their waiting Young Apostles. We have Edem Ofosu in post. Suleiman Yaya Abu is the captain. We have Ganiu Abdul Fatau. Rams Benjamin Chum is not in camp. Chum is also the goalkeeper for Ghana's under-20 national team. And so this afternoon it had to be someone else. And of course, it is Edem Ofosu. We are a few minutes away from kickoff. And referee Daniel Lai is going to be the man who will be in charge of affairs this afternoon. He's a very, very experienced referee, and he's been in charge of many games in the Ghana.
They are in there to give massive support, and don't forget the economic value of such a game that is being played over here. So a lot is expected, and their pitch is ever ready for the game.
And here we go. Daniel Lai has blown his whistle, and the game has started. Kickoff. Kumasi Asante Kotoko dominating in the
infringement for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Very, very advantageous. Sambo O'Neill and Kua within the box. Lord Amwa, they're all trying to take advantage of the set piece.
Who is going to take this? Baba Yaya sends it into the box. And that header by Joseph Ablo could not cause problems for Young Ablo. Entry back to Ablo. Baba Yaya goes down. And Albert Amoa is trying to confront Rahman Abdul Rauf. Flick headed away by Atta. Jamina controls it beautifully. Jamina goes to Amoa. Amoa with that control, looking to locate Albert in space. Jamina
very well for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 6 goals last season.
Entry goes to the far post, but somehow O'Neill's ball was feeble to beat Edem Ofosu. Edem, who is a puff.
Abubakar Rams to his exploit. Very, very good game so far. But I'm yet to see a very offensive.
Are walking into the tunnel. The players would have to have some few words before they join.
Very good first half, but Kotoko should have been up by some 3. Prosper Natiogun has been able to spot that mistake, and he must fix this to get him going.
This is Ramsey. Ramsey with that pass to Lomote. And Young Apostles are up by a goal to 0. And Lomote has got the first goal for Young Apostles. Very, very beautiful connection. Some very good play. And Young Apostles are up.
And Kotoko are down by a goal. Beautiful assist from Abubakar Ramsey. And then nice finish from Daniel Omoti.
Jamina has been sacrificed for Saka Dauda. And now Kotoko have made the first change in the game. 53 minutes. They may exploit if Kotoko attacks more. Very difficult situation for Kotoko.
You need spaces to exploit, but you must also look at your back. Now Young Apostles are picking very well into the game. They now have the belief that they can play with Kotoko. Defending with cautious. Young Apostles.
This is Young Apostles trying to attack from the left side. Matthias Fanamebe. Matthias got that control. The ball goes to Amoa. Amoa has located Baba. This is Sanchi. Sanchi to Aqua. Aqua wide. Aqua gets into the box. Aqua goes down. Daniel Lai says Rahman actually got the. And Patrick Asidu and Co would have no problem. They continue to attack. That was a brilliant strike and a brilliant goal from Emmanuel Antwi. You need to shoot from distance, Daniel said. Kotoko shot from distance, and there they have the goal.
The pitch didn't help the goalkeeper. The ball took a soft action on the ground, and the goalkeeper was totally beaten. But that was a very nice effort from Emmanuel Antwi. And I told you, last season he scored 6 good goals for Great Olympics as a midfielder. This time around, when the going gets tough, out of nowhere, Emmanuel Antwi came to the party for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
That was a brilliant strike from Emmanuel Antwi. This is what Kotoko fans want to see, and that is what they've just seen. Konto in that battle with him. That ball to attack. Attack to Konto in a very good position. Konto strikes, save by the crossbar. Young Apostles still trying to get into the game.
The tempo is getting and now coming so well in the game.
And a few minutes after Kotoko got the equalizer, it nearly went back as it was, and they were being saved by the crossbar.
That was a very nice threat from Young Apostle. So when Kotoko are trying to come up the game, you prove your weight, and we've been saved by the crossbar. And this time around, Mohamed Kamara so jittery in pulse.
He was one of the best players in that competition. He doesn't usually score, but both attacking and Chief Kotoko feel the Young Apostle players are trying to while away time. This is Amoa. Amoa's touch wasn't the best.
Was there a cross or a shot on target?
I think Amoa was trying.
And a lot is expected, especially at this tense moment, tense atmosphere, where Kotoko are looking for a win.
Fan Amebe. This is attack. Konto was trying to locate Ramsey. Back. Good clearance from Sule Muntala. To save a blow. Again Muntala. Ramsey to Konto. Looking for Lomote. Well defended. Saka Dauda has gone down. Daniel Lomote. The flag is
plan. Let's find a way to score and find a way to defend. And Kotoko in the first half wasted so many chances. But this time around, they are chasing a winner. It's not forthcoming. Albert Amwa, Saka Dauda, all struggling to find the back of the net.
This is Kamara. Very young but experienced, 24 years of age. Ramsey still warming up.
He's looking frustrated. Justice Blay.
A good cross into the box. Straight into the arms of Edem Ofosu.
No problems for Edem. Brilliant goalkeeping.
Now you're ready. Has been sacrificed.
A draw is okay for Young Apostles. They avoid conceding the second goal, and they are really doing that job very well. 9-8 players in the box. Brilliant tactical setup from Coach Asante Kotoko.
The technical team have some words for Edem Ofosu, and Edem is walking towards the ball. But Suleiman Tala says, no, I'm going to take this. Good control. And Daniel Lai has brought the entire 90 minutes to an end. It's Kumasi Asante Kotoko playing at home 1, Young Apostles 1. It's all over at the Linkley Sports Stadium. Kotoko have had another draw at home against a newly promoted side. The last time it happened was against Tamale City in the 2022-2023 season. It's all over 1-1 at the